alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace, blessing, and mercy of God be upon you. Today we will start solving ICT exam paper 3, October, November 2023. We will solve this exam in two videos. You can find link in description. You have been supplied with the following source files. We have some source files. These files in our work area here. Task 1, evidence document. Create a new processed Word document. Make sure that your name, center number, and count number will appear on every page of this document. Save this document in your work area as N23 evidence, followed by your center number and count number. You will use this as your evidence document during the examination. So we'll go to our work area, right click, and create new Word document with name N23 evidence. Open this file and then insert header. We take the three parts, three columns, write your name, center number, and count number, then save. Okay, back to exam. Task 2, file management. Create a new folder called TGS. Locate the following files and store them in your TGS folder. Okay, we'll go to our work area, create, right click, new folder with name TGS, and we'll take these files, these 6 files, and move them to the TGS. This is the file which you require. Display the content of your TGS folder, showing the folder name and all file names. You need folder name, file names, file extensions, image dimensions, and file size. Take a screenshot of this folder and place it in your evidence. So we'll go to our work area, right click, and view content. This content have the dimensions of pictures, the file size, the extension, and the folder name. So we'll go to our snapping tool and take screenshot for this folder. Be sure that the folder name is appear here and the file names, dimensions, extension, file size are appear. So we'll copy this and go to our evidence and we write evidence step 1. Okay. And then Control V and make it behind to make the move easier in your document. Make the cursor move more easier. Okay, then file save. Back to exam. Task 3, web page. You are working as a part-time, as a part of team of web developer at Tawara Web, and have been asked to create parts of a web page and edit style sheet for the local geography century. The web page and style sheet must work in any browser. All color codes must be in hexadecimal. Make sure your style sheet contain no HTML. Make your HTML and style sheet as efficient as possible. Create in your TGS folder a web page called tgs.html. So in Arabic edition, I use the SharePoint. Here we'll use Expression. The two applications are the same. Okay, so we'll go to file, new HTML file, and name it as file save as. and put it in your work area. ICT. This work area with the name TGS. Save. Yes, this the TGS file. Okay. Creating your TGS file, this code. This web page must be created using a single table and work in all browsers. The table must have the structure like this. We have dealt before that to make the table, we count the maximum number of rows and maximum number of columns. So that we have one column, 2, 3, and we have one row, 2, 3. So we need to insert a table with 3 and 3 dimension or 3 by 3. So let's open the design view. And for table, insert table with 3 by 3 columns. The first 3 cells will be merged. So we'll select these 3 cells and right click, modify merge cells. And we'll write here A just for declaration. And we have to delete these characters when you use the cells. B are merged too. So we'll merge these 2 cells, mark them, right click, modify and merge. And this will be B. And this will be C, D, E, and F. Okay. Each table cell is identified with a letter which must not appear on your final web page. So we'll delete these characters when use cells. Place in a cell A the image of giraffe. So we'll go to A, remove this A, and insert picture from file. Go to our work area and select giraffe picture. So giraffe picture as alternative text. Okay. In cell B, image logo. Okay, in cell B, we'll delete this B and insert picture from file and go to select logo and this company logo. Okay. In cell F, the image head. Okay, in cell F, we'll delete this F, insert picture from file, this head, and this will be a giraffe head. Okay. Add appropriate alternate text to all image. We did this. Use inline style attribute to make sure that the logo fits the full width of B. So we'll go to select B, this B, and go to the code. This will be the code. We need the width with 100%. So we'll remove this dimension as a height and remove this width. And you write style. Style equal width with 100% to take all the width of the cell. Okay. Back to exam. Place in cell D the text N23 text in cell D. Okay, we'll go to cell D, remove this D, and go to our work area and open this file text, Control A, Control C, and back to the D, in the D cell, and Control V. Okay. Place in cell E the text page created by Tawara Web, full stop, last edit by, followed by your name, center number, and count number. Okay, so in the E, we'll remove this E and paste by your name, followed by your center number and count number. Okay. Place a paragraph break after the full stop in the cell E. You can do this by just after the full stop. You can press enter, and if we look at this in the code, this enter will be a PR paragraph break. That's it. Okay. Set all the text in cell D and E in style H2. So we'll go to cell D and select H2 and D select H2. Okay. Use a video and source tags. So we'll need to write two tags. One for video, include the source tag to place in cell C the video file N23 feed.mp4 and set the video dimension. So let's start by writing the video code. So we'll go to C. Let's go to the code. This is the C. Remove this C, and here we need to write the code for the video. So I write the tag video. Okay. In this video tag, I write the source code. We just write source src equal the file name and then we write the type, which equal video with the extension /mp4. Okay, back to exam. Set the video width 480 pixel and height 360. Include video control. So we need to write some metadata for this video. So here behind or inside the video tag, we write width. We write width equal 480, then space height equal 360, and then we need to put the controls. Okay, fine. Back to exam. Display an appropriate text-based error message if the browser doesn't support the video type. Okay, after the source tag, you can write your web browser does not support the file format. This will be the alternative text if the video doesn't work. Okay, back to exam. Attach the style sheet and TGCS, the CSS to the this web page. Save your web page. Okay. So let's go to design, format, CSS style, attach file style, browse, and go to your work area and attach the N23 TGS file. Okay, this is the file. Save your web page. Okay, save. Open the style sheet N23 TGS.css and correct the mistakes in the CSS file. And style sheet to meet this specification. So let's firstly open the file. Okay, as we can note, this border collapse right in errors. We need to remove this E. Okay. Table must be center aligned. Okay. To make a table center aligned, we need to make the margin auto for left and right. Okay, so let's go to the to modify this table section. Right click, modify style. Okay, so in box we go to the margin, and right margin will be auto and left margin will be auto. Okay. Second, table must fit 85% of the browser window. So we'll go to the position and make the width 85 and make it percent. Okay. Table border and grid lines must not be visible. So table borders, so table border have to be deleted with 0, and there is no color. Okay, and we need to make this to the grid lines TD also. Okay, let's back to exam. Table cells TD, this TD. Okay, so we just finished with the table section. Apply. Okay, these are our settings for the table. Okay, the TD here is 1 pixel, so we need to put this as 0 pixel. There's no border for grid lines. Table cells must have padding of 20 pixel. So we'll go to the TD and modify, and for padding, let's select the box, and padding will be 20 pixel. Apply. Okay. Next, the background color of the web page must have. Let's explain this. The color used on in the order of RGB, which is red, green, blue. So we need to write this code, this color as AA for red, BE for green and D8 for blue. We must use this arrange in our code. And for background, we use a style sheet body. So we'll create a new style, name it as body. Okay, and make the color is AA, and then BE, and finally D8. Okay, apply, and this is the body color. Styles H1 and H2 must be set so the browser select and display the font Comic Sans MS. If the font is not available, the browser select and display the font Comic Sans. If neither of these fonts are available, the browser must display its default sans serif. So we'll go to make a new, create a new style for H1 and H2, H1, comma, H2, and the font will be Comic Sans MS, comma, if not found, this will be a Comic Sans. If not found, comma, it will be Sans Serif. Okay. The style H1 and H2 must be blue with no other color. So blue will be FF and the other color will be zeros. So we'll select 0, 0, 0, 0, and FF. This will be the blue. Apply. Okay. This is the last style. Place your name, center number, and count number as a command at the start of the style sheet. So we'll go to the style sheet, and at the start, just enter /*, your name, center number, and candidate number, and */. This would be the command. Save your style sheet in your TGS file. Place a copy of your style sheet in your evidence document. Make sure that the contents are easy to be read. This is step 7. Okay, we'll go to right click and save, and then go to the snipping tool, new, and select all this code. Copy and go to our evidence and write evidence step 7, Control V, and make it behind. Okay. Fine. Close this file. Back to exam. Step 8, display the web page in your browser. Take screenshot evidence and place this in your evidence document. Make sure that all page can be seen. All the text can be easily read. The address bar are fully visible. Okay, we'll go to display this. Okay, let's this the body color. Okay, we make a mistake that in this body modify style, this color have to be for the background. So background color will be this selection. Apply OK. So back to the page. Now we can open this web page in my browser. This is my web page. Let's open it in Google, for example. This will be the Google file. Okay. And this video work correctly. Yes. Can just enlarge this to obtain all files. Then we'll go to snapping tool and take a screenshot, copy and go to our work area. This step 8, evidence, step 8, web page, Control V. Yes. Okay. Let's open it another time. Yes. Open with Google, and then we'll take the screenshot to obtain the background. Then copy, go to your evidence, and Control V, make it behind. Okay. Back to exam. Display the HTML source in your editor. Take a copy of HTML source and place this in your evidence document. So we'll go to evidence document and right. This is the step 8 HTML source code. And then go to our expression and open the code. So Control A, Control C, go to your evidence and Control V. That's it. So Control S for save. And this is that's the end of the web page part. In next video, we'll solve the spreadsheet. Thanks for watching. See you next video.